Anybody want to raise questions? If there is no question, I will ask question.
First, you ask question. Mic.
Thank you, Professor. I listened to you very carefully, and your interest in making the students innovative entrepreneurs, businessmen, and so on. I have one simple question to you. As teachers in the universities, we are giving lectures to the students without knowing what they want to become. Because At the level of PG, even the students don't know what they want. We give only general training, not specific training. Our training is, for example, as a teacher, I wanted to make them as social leaders, political leaders, speakers, big personalities, even housewives, like so on. And when it comes to some courses like MBA and all, they want to become industrial workers, corporate sector workers, which needs entirely different kind of training, which may be given by the specific corporate sector. The education institutions, general education institutions, cannot be expected to give all kinds of training to all kinds of students. It will be waste of time because some students may want to become, for example, doctor or engineers or civil servants, and like that. No, they may differ in different ways they want to travel. So putting all of them in one classroom and we want to give them training, actually it is a big challenge for the teachers to teach everything to everyone. Therefore, what I feel is the corporate sector or industries should take up the students and they should give training as they like. Instead of the universities giving everything to everybody, and the specific skills can be given by the specific corporate sector for specific targeted group. That's what I feel. Now, wherever I go, for example, when I go to colleges, I ask students what you want to become. 90% of the college students say that they want to become teachers. They all want to become teachers. If we want to go to government colleges, they all say they want to become government employees. This is my experience. Go to class like MBA or Master of Computer Applications and all, they all want to become entrepreneurs. So one group want to become entrepreneurs and another group want to become teachers and civil servants. Now all of them sit in one classroom. One teacher is taking class. A teacher may not have the industrial exposure or corporate exposure. He may be a good teacher, but he may not have all kinds of experiences, skills. So he cannot be expected to teach all students. So what I feel is, instead of talking everything to everybody, we should have groups. Maybe after plus two or after undergraduate, we should have separate groups of the students and we should give specific training to the students by specific people. This is what I have in my mind. What is your opinion, sir? Am I clear? I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I have further one more question. See, it depends upon the employment market also.
Employment market. Employment market, the problem is it is not very clear. See, doctors, lawyers, okay, they take their own profession. There is no shift. But in case of engineers, because not much opportunities are available, and lots of engineers are produced, particularly in other countries, in India, everybody wants to become engineers, but they don't get job in the industries, and they want to do any kind of job. For example, in Tamil Nadu, Group 4 officers means clerical level. Clerical level jobs are preferred by engineers. Engineers take up such examinations and they write and they fail also. So, without knowing their own taste, their own interest, they simply take up some degree without knowing their own level. They don't understand themselves. Sometimes parents influence them. Parents don't know the skill training, etc. of the students. They only suggest the children that you take up engineering. So, at the end of the day, every year in Tamil Nadu around 2 lakhs engineers are produced. Manufacturing sector is not growing like that. Manufacturing sector growth rate is very small, only 1 or 2%. Enrollment is increased by 20%, 30%. So all these engineers cannot find jobs in the corporate sector. Itself, they go for any other job. We get a clerical level job which requires only +2 standard. Only +2 standards, no, higher secondary standards. They are expected to write the examination, but majority of the engineers are taking up the examination because they don't have any other job. Otherwise, they take a menial job. Menial job means a blue collar job. They were expecting white collar job, working in the corporate sector, manager and CEO, chief executive officer. But unfortunately, after finishing their program, they don't get job. So as a result, they go for any other job. Even carpenters, construction workers, masons, retail roadside vendors. Like that, it is so pathetic that after spending so much money, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, they become unemployed. So the problem is the matching. In economics, 1% got Nobel Prize. Matching. Lots of unemployment people are there. And the other side for corporate sector, they don't get right kind of people. That problem also there. Corporate sector don't get right kind of people. These graduates, employed graduates, engineering graduates, they are not able to find suitable jobs. So there is gap. These engineers want very large salary, but the corporate sector don't give that salary. They give very little salary. So these expectations are different. What these people expect, they don't get. As a result, in India, more and more unemployed graduates are coming, and on the one side, we are generating more and more engineering colleges, 200 colleges in Tamil Nadu alone. So if we take India, more than 15 engineering colleges, 15,000 engineering colleges, but they are producing engineering students, but unusable, unemployable, because it is not their problem. Problem is from corporate sector, because corporate sector is not growing at that level. Corporate sector is stagnant with very few hands. So they want to get very cheap labor. Corporate sector want to get very cheap labor. But these unemployed graduates want to get very high status job. This problem is there. So therefore, proper human resource management is most important. The government, as I stated, government should have a correct plan, thorough plan. How much is required, that much only should be produced. Now nobody bothers about requirement. Everybody produces engineers. But there is no demand. So now many colleges are being closed. Now many colleges, engineering colleges are being closed because they are not able to attract students because already there is large reserve, unemployed reserve army. This is the problem in India.
So can you explain your problem in your country? Do you have any such thing as overgrowth of unemployed youngsters? They indulge in criminal activities. Thieves. They become stolen. They start stealing the profit. They start killing the people. All criminal activities are now done by the engineers with educated people because they don't have any other job. After getting so much of education, spending so much money, if they are unemployed, if they are unemployed, what they will do? This is what is happening in India. Now, can you give your experience in your country, sir? Yeah. Hey, see, one more point. One more. See, in our country, after 1990, we went for privatization of education, everything, including education. As a result, number of colleges increased like anything. Self-financing colleges, private institutions started mushrooming. Nobody was there to control. Anybody can start university, anybody can start college, and they can admit any number of students. So without any limit, any control, any restriction, the people started admitting the students. Large number of students. So even inferior grade students were also admitted into the program to fill the sanction strength, to fill the seat, and to get more money. So the privatization of education made the entrepreneurs to start at all industries. Instead of industries, they started education institutions. Education institutions was more money minting business than corporate sector in India. So as a result, they started admitting all kinds of students in all kinds of programs, irrespective of their skill, talent, intelligence, interest, knowledge, nothing. Simply whoever pays money can get any degree. We are calling it shopping complexes. Colleges are called shopping complexes. If you are ready to pay money, you can get any degree you want. Anytime, anytime. This is a situation. If people generate so many graduates, where can they find job? Where they can get skill? And this is not controlled by the government because they are interested in enrollment ratio. They want to show enrollment ratio so that human development index will go up. Or rather, human development index. where education is one of the. So by raising enrollment ratio, our human development has increased, but our health has not improved to that extent. Health is also one of the components of human development. That has not increased, but enrollment ratio has increased. For increasing the enrollment ratio, government is giving all kinds of facilities. No, free cycle, free cloth, free footwear, free food, free morning food, afternoon food, everything free in order to attract the students. So they attract students. Enrollment ratio has gone up to 50%, from 20% to 50%. So the increase in number of students, as a result, quality has come down. Because everybody is able to enter into schools and colleges, they cannot be expected to increase the quality. They are coming only for the government benefits. In order to obtain the government benefits and get degrees, they get into the education institutions. They are not very much bothered about language or skill, any training. So at the end of the day, they get degrees by private institutions without giving any proper even syllabus, for example. Syllabus, if you compare with the national level universities, the university, state level university syllabus is not even 1/10. Not even 10% of the actual syllabus is taught in the private colleges. Private universities, they give importance only for their building and buses. Their buses are beautiful, buildings are beautiful, swimming pool is there, canteen is there, but teachers are not there. They don't get good teachers. They don't pay salary for good teachers. They pay salary only for manual workers. Like manual workers, they don't get good teachers. Good teachers won't come to these institutions. They are like casual laborers. All casual laborers are employed as teachers, and they are paid like casual laborers. What kind of training they can give to the students? So this is a pathetic condition. Now, let me in India. So we are generating more and more unemployable youth rather than employable youth. But this is what is the situation in India and Tamil Nadu particularly. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor. Wait, please.
Please. Introduce yourself, sir.
Only brief
Interaction.
not lecture. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious knowledge and valuable lecture. And on this contract, I personally believe that I am in contract with the area of that, sir. Because if I come from the economics department, I feel that it solely depends on the percentage of the share you spend on the R&D, research and development. If we look at India's perspective, we spend only 0.8% of the GDP on R&D. As compared to this, US spent 4.6% of GDP on their research and development. So after spending such a low amount on R&D, how can we expect that the students that are coming from the different institutions will be occupied by our corporate sector? So firstly, in the Keynesian economics, this is the demand side economics. Like Keynesian's famous quote is that if your supply is greater than demand, there is this excess supply and deficient demand. This famous quote was that dig the holes and fill them back. What they say is actually the idea is you have to create a demand so that people can earn and spend their life and their standard of life will improve. So I think basic problem is this: government is not spending more on R&D. When the government starts spending more on R&D,
Answer is very clear.
Corporate sector will be improved more, and the idea of the APG program is that every student who qualifies the higher secondary 12th standard must be given a skillful education apart from their traditional education.
Okay.
Very good. I agree with you.
Thank you, sir. Saying thank you is a more than good manner. It is a good spirituality. Now we invite young Tangayan Karasi to propose vote of thanks.
ஒயர்ல விழுந்துடாத.
Very good afternoon to everyone. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I thank our special guest, Dr. Abdul Qadir Bey Othman, Deputy Director, Research and Innovation, Institute of Business Excellence, University Technology, Mara, Malaysia, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. For giving a special lecture virtually on the topic, the challenges of the academic industry collaboration in creation, innovate products and services solution. You covered almost all about the topic. Uh, Start with introduction about industry, brain train phenomena in the industry, then huge production in the industry. Next, your research articles and universities. It includes research gap, developing research framework, sample techniques, then findings relevant to the research framework. Next, research articles in the industry. It covers focus on applied research, no research framework, then methods used are more practical. Here, sample tools used, it is helpful. Then interpretation of the findings. The next, time orientation at universities. Here, we covered 5 years to complete the maximum period of a research project. Then time orientation in the industry. Here, product life cycle span. Then consumer preference, time to market. Then work culture at universities. Slow to moderate pace. Then performance measurement. Then work culture in the industry. Here, fast-paced process and performance measurement appraisal. Then we move to strategies to enhance academia industry collaboration. Then into the role of the government. Finally, to give implementing the strategies and also your experience and UTM experience. It is very useful to our students. Thank you, sir. And I also express my heartfelt thanks to our head of the department, Dr.M.Selvam, who organized this international seminar. Thank you, sir. And also I extend my heartfelt thanks to our senior professor, Dr. S.I.M. sir, for your valuable presence here. Thank you, sir. Then our special thanks to the participants from various colleges and universities who joined in person and through online at this international seminar. My heartfelt thanks to our faculty members for their valuable contribution in the successful conduct of this international seminar. My special thanks to staff members of the University Informatics Center, Bharadasa University for their technical support to conduct this international seminar through online mode. I extend my special thanks to non-teaching staff, MBA students, and PhD research scholars. Then once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Professor. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. தம்பி யூடியூப் கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ண உங்களை போவாதில்ல க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியா